This is for those who've been told, whether it be from others or from themselves, that something is impossible. See, it amazes me. It amazes me that people can think things are impossible when I can send information from where I am to around the world in an instant. I find it funny we think things are impossible when we can convert that sun's energy to energy that can fuel our lives. Something we can barely see and touch, but yet we found ways to harness.
I can, and I'm only surrounding myself with amazing people who believe in me, nourish my dreams, and in return, I'm able to do the same for them. I can, and every day, I'm giving 150% towards becoming the best version of myself, towards my goals and my dreams. I can, but it doesn't always feel that way. It doesn't always feel so positive and so smooth and so beautiful. Some days it's ugly and it's painful and it hurts. Some days there's confusion. Many days there's doubt, and there are haters, there are doubters. Just last week I was talking to one of my old mentors, and she told me, she said, Jeff, whenever you feel like quitting, whenever you feel frustrated, tired, burnt out, just remember that the person standing right next to you feels the same exact way. The only difference between you and them is what you tell yourself in that moment. I can. I can. And when you tell yourself this, it's not just about a goal or what you want. It's actually much bigger than that. When you're saying I can, you're committing to the process, to everything that comes with it, the good and the bad. You're really committing to figuring it out. And when we approach problems and obstacles with the attitude of I can, we don't even see them as good and bad anymore. We know that we're committed to the solution, to figuring it out. Or whatever it is that you want, it's a mountain and you've got to climb it. No one can climb it for you. But you have to remember that mountains don't grow. The mountain isn't growing. You just keep stopping. No more excuses. No more stopping. Keep moving. And we've all been there. We've all looked up at that mountain of what we want, of where we want to go. And we work and we move and we're moving forward on it, and we're having fun. We're seeing progress, one foot in front of the other, baby steps going up, and then we stop. We might get distracted. We might see something else that we want and start walking towards that way. Or we might hear some criticism and feedback from friends or family or strangers and stop. And then when we look back up at that mountain again, we forgot all the progress that we just made. When we look up at that mountain again, it might look even bigger, but the mountain isn't getting any bigger. We just keep stopping. No more stopping. Build that momentum. Keep going. Create your own tipping point. And when you feel like quitting, when you feel like stopping, and when you feel like you can give no more, just remember that the person standing right next to you feels the same exact way. Keep going. I can.
You have to change your story about what's your expectation of who you're supposed to be.
Empower yourself. Take personal responsibility.